Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today is another simple easy recipe, guys. I did make some ripe plantain and ground beef pie topped with some panko bread crumbs, and it is crunchy and tasty, so heavenly, guys. Let's get started. I have 2 ripe plantains that I did slice, some young baby spinach, chopped onion and garlic, red and green Scotch Bonnet Pepper. I did remove the seeds. Here I have my ground beef that I washed thoroughly. Make sure that bloody water is not in it, alright? Grated mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon each of seasonings, and the turmeric in there is just 1/4 teaspoon. Salt and black pepper to taste. Panko bread crumb. I also have 2 eggs, some tomato sauce, and some Sriracha sauce. So into my pan, I'm going to add some vegetable cooking oil, and you don't want to add much, right? Because the meat has a lot of fat in it. Once the oil gets hot, I'm going to add my garlic and fry it up for 1 minute until it turns fragrant. I just love the smell of garlic. Once that is done, I'm going to add my green and red Scotch Bonnet Pepper along with the onion and saute this again for another minute. You can cook yours longer if you want to, but because I'm going to be baking it, it's all fine. And then it's going to have an additional cooking with the meat. Now add the minced meat in there. And check the description box below, guys. I'm going to be listing all details there. All my seasons are going to be added right now into this pot. You can feel free to add any seasons of your choice. I'm going to also add some salt and pepper to taste. Cook again for another minute, then add 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. And minced beef or ground beef, as you call it, do not take long to cook. Let this cook again for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add some chopped parsley. Then give it a nice little stir. Turn the heat off from under the pot, and that's it. It's all done. At this time, you can use some butter or some cooking spray and spray your pie dish. Add your plantains in there. Then add some grated mozzarella cheese, 2 beaten eggs, and at this time you can see that the minced beef, or as some people will call it, the ground beef, has produced a lot of fat, a lot of grease in there. So we're going to try our best not to get that grease into our pie. Place it there just like this. Then add some more mozzarella cheese. Now add the baby spinach, some panko bread crumb, along with some more mozzarella cheese. Then just place some Sriracha sauce right over the top. Add some more breadcrumb to the top and bake it for 25 minutes. It's that simple and nice. Once it's cool, then just go right into it. Let me show you from another point, guys, how my pie is firm and nice. Look at it. There you have it. Our plantain and ground beef pie. So tasty, so heavenly. The panko bread crumb bring out that extra crunchiness on the top. Yes, so give it a try. Do not waste anything, guys. You can even substitute your breadfruit in this way. So yes, subscribe, give me a comment, let me know how it turned out, and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.